see. I'm alive? Okay, I'm live. Okay. Hi. Test stream. Test chat. Okay. Everything's working. Okay, so I know it's been a while. But I'll just practice typing for maybe an hour. 30 minutes or an hour, and then we'll go back to coding. I have a stream here so that, I won't get bored while practicing.
There'll be a lot of times to chatting. There'll be some skiing moments, but there'll be a lot of waiting around, chilling. Speaking of which, yeah, we're basically on the kiddie sled. Let's go down a little bit because I lost sight of them. Let's just go and have a look.
Oh wait, I enabled read ahead. I'm not supposed to read ahead yet.
This way, the audio should be way better. I don't know if this looks any cool or whatever, but hopefully you can kind of hear me.
How do I disable read ahead again? Oh, there. Read ahead not. Okay.
Here we go.
So I'm just going to practice typing, or until I get like maybe
Lots of whoosh. We're going
consistent 80. If I can get consistent 80 or consistent 100, then I'll start practicing reading ahead. I tried practicing reading ahead, but yeah, it was bad. It was not a good experience. if you type slow, like you just cannot. Like yeah.
It's a great day. We're only skiing for one day, and I thought, well, if I'm
I'll just focus on getting used to it, I guess.
And I have all these modems and stuff, and I thought it would look pretty good. Oh, this is a VOD later. Yeah, I'm recording the
I
VOD.
don't know how to increase your.
Have a high quality VOD that'll go up. Dude, I'm hyped. I've always wanted to, since I got the backpack, I've wanted to do IRL skiing. I thought it would be a cool concept. So I don't know what we're gonna do, other than just ski. I don't know if we'll have any fun moments.
What I'm watching is a stream by CWI. He streams a lot on Twitch, and he has a lot of VODs, so I thought it would be a good idea to catch up on his content, because I like his content. I'm a big fan. So he does like a lot of in real life stream, IRL streams in Japan. It's a country that I want to visit in the future.
My hands are really cold. I was messing around trying to get the stream stuff to work, and dude, it's like something would break and then something would break, and I couldn't catch a break, if I'm honest.
So I guess I'll just talk about like updates, what I've been doing. It's been like a month since my last stream. One of the reasons why I'm streaming now is my VODs are running out. I think it's like until the end of September, and my streams will.
I'm a pretty good skier. I imagine there's some European like
and yeah,
watching who's like,
I'm just trying to to have like a backlog of VODs, right? The thing is, like, if I have too much of a backlog, right, like what happened last month, right? I had like 2 months of like VODs worth last month. I just did not stream because I was like, I still have VODs. But now I'm running out of VODs, so I have to stream again. It's like a reason to procrastinate, right? But yeah. I removed my camera. Simply because I couldn't, like, I wanted to at least improve my lighting first, and I'll put back the camera. I'll improve my lighting. Or maybe get a green screen, right? If I can do that, then I'll bring back the camera. Lighting, and maybe get like a better camera. My current camera can only support like 1080p. I mean, like, it's advertising that I can support 1080p, but I feel like it's only 720. It's not. It doesn't feel 1080. Yeah. It's a cheap camera though, so like, it's a cheap camera. Like, it's. I bought it. Actually, I was not the one who bought it. I bought it before I got my first internship. Yeah, I remember. I bought it before I got my first internship, and the reason why I bought it was I wanted to increase my chance of getting a job.
That
This
doesn't count, right?
back then I didn't have a camera. It was really hard to,
Back in.
and a lot of as I'm a developer, right? So they do a lot of like whiteboard
I just said so.
type of exams, and
Oh,
because of that, I couldn't really, you know,
there's a fall.
couldn't really do whiteboard.
I was just showing you what
So, yeah.
fall wouldn't look
There was
like.
this one interview I remember before I had like a camera, right? There was this one interview that I used my phone. I used my phone as the camera, and it was, yeah.
This might. Oh, I just see my handprint on it.
I couldn't get a job.
Texture, right?
I couldn't get a job, and yeah.
You guys need it.
But once I got like a camera, right? Like the, yeah. Oh yeah, I remember this vividly. When I didn't have a camera, I didn't have a mic. Cause,
I've normally gone in like March or April.
uh,
Summer is worse,
I
but
remember
you can normally get some days where
like the
basically
recruiters, the
snow is
HR,
so
the
nice. It's
even
a
the
lot more,
tech,
a lot more
the
hotter.
even like
Fucking cold. My face is getting
the technical interview, right? The one interviewing me, a technical interview. So the dev interviewing a technical interview.
If I
They
don't
were
have
rushing me.
space, I won't be able to leave them alone
They were like,
to have to
let's do this fast.
space while he's
They were, yeah, they were not, you know, patient. They were not, how do I say it?
oh my god.
They were not accommodating. Like they were like, bam, 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 bam. Okay, let's move on. But when I got my camera, when I got my mic later on, like the attitude, I've noticed that the attitude, it got like a complete 180. They suddenly was more respectful of you for some reason. I'm like, what the fuck? This is so unfair. Like, yeah, so unfair. But it is what it is, right? I guess I'm.
Oh, you guys. Okay. Some of you put in big numbers. All right. It was 100.
That's the reality of like trying to apply for jobs when you're broke. Like, yeah, it's harder. It's significantly harder to get a job when you're broke.
It's about $100.
I don't know why.
Sorry.
Actually, I know why.
13,000 yen. Sorry, $100. I hope it was actually. Actually, check the receipt. Actually.
But yeah, enough about that. That's like back when I didn't have a job. I mean, I still don't. I mean, like back when
Yeah, it was a rip-off.
time when I didn't
$130.
have an internship yet in my resume. Yeah, I didn't have any experience in my resume.
That's an anime figure. Yeah.
Really desperate for anything.
I've decided now.
I still remember, like the first job is usually the hardest, right?
It's not bad.
But it was, yeah, it was terrible. It was a terrible time. Like right now I can laugh at it, but
Awesome. I should also just place them this way so you guys get a better view.
of course, like all those like rejections, all those like ghost things. At some point you get used to it. Right now, like right now I don't really care. Like for me, getting rejected and getting ghosted is like part of the.
Quality is insane.
It's like a since I do it daily, right? I apply daily to anything.
Cameras struggle.
I actually know 3 jobs that I think are cool.
Perfect white.
When
everything is white, it doesn't
You
really
stop
stand out.
caring too much. Like you're not really affected. At least now I'm not really affected. Like, you know, not really affected. I mean, I still get affected. Like I'm not saying that the
I'm not a Niseko.
I'm not saying that the
I'm in a
feeling of, you know, dread, not dread, like the feeling, the negative emotion associated with getting rejected. I'm not saying it disappears. I'm just saying you get used to it,
that would just
which, yeah,
I'm in the middle of nowhere.
which kind of sucks, right?
Teaching, yeah, Ludwig is
That
teaching.
you have to get used to it.
Do the pizza and the French fry right now. Which, if you don't know, if you're a beginner in skiing,
It is what it is.
you can put your skis
Yeah.
straight to go.
I guess I'll just talk about
Put them in, like,
what I've been doing
pointing downwards.
this past month.
Plow all the,
I was not in,
it's
I was not streaming. I'm sorry, okay.
but it's very good for beginners and it helps them kind of get used to the speed and managing it. Ludwig claims that he's amazing.
I think one of the reasons why I stopped streaming is because I stopped working at Marriott, the project that I was working on. I mean, there were some progress that I did outside of the stream. Yeah, I remember. It was like bit, yeah, some stuff that I did outside of the stream.
We started kind of late because we had to drive here from Southport.
And
So it's already 12, and the ski resort closes at 4. I imagine we'll probably ski until around 4.
actually, yeah, I actually did quite a bit outside of stream.
So I don't fall over and break stuff.
Then after that, I stopped. Just like, yeah,
Lotto's gone skiing before. He claims he's great.
I stopped working on that project. And then
It's hard. I think the hardest part about
I was,
learning skiing is that balancing or learning how to just kind of.
oh yeah, I remember now. There was this group of game devs.
Mouse is watching my stream.
They were like recruiting for devs, right? So I just joined the group, and I'm not like the game developer. I'm not the game developer. I don't have experience. You know, but I volunteered to be the infrastructure. So like I'm in charge of the tooling. I'm in charge of the automation. You know, like I think it.
We'll do shoulder cam. Don't worry.
Was it a great like kind of like? Oh yeah, no, I remember now. I remember. I stopped streaming. After I stopped streaming, I actually how do I say it? I stopped doing web for a while. I did, and I tried to learn GitHub Actions, and I got addicted to it. GitHub Actions, it's so good, man. Like once you learn how to do like the basic, even just the basic, and it's also like pretty easy to learn. Just read the docs, right?
That's what we're gonna ski, chat.
And yeah, like the thing about GitHub Actions is that it provides like, kind of like automates your work. How do I explain GitHub Actions?
Anyone chat skiers?
Like for example, you have like linters, right, to ensure code quality. Usually, what I do before was that I run it manually, right? I code and then I lint and then I push the code, right, to ensure that. I mean, my lint is like alias to also include formatting, but GitHub workflows, GitHub Actions allows you to automate that process, right? Where it will reject your code if you forgot to lint. And you could pair it with like pre-commit, right? Like with pre-commit, you either use Husky or you use the Python package, or the pre-commit package. Usually I use Husky for anything that's not Python, and then for Python I like pre-commit. I like keeping the tools depending on the language I'm using. Language I'm working. If I'm working in C#, I use the .NET, and then I use Husky. The .NET Husky. If I'm working with JavaScript, I use Husky. But if I'm working with Python, I like try to reduce the number of technologies you're using. It doesn't get confusing, and it wouldn't be a pain to deal with versions, right? Updating versions. So yeah. You could pair GitHub Actions with pre-commits, right?
But like rough British, and I was like, oh, where did you live in the UK? He's like, oh, I lived. Oh, hey, I'm live right now.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
What's going on?
We're just chilling. We're kind of waiting. What's going on with the teaching?
Well, we got Rochelle.
I've noticed that. I'm how do I say it? I'm talking over him. Yeah. Don't worry. I'll unmute him after I do my update, right? So what did I do? Oh yeah. You could pair GitHub Actions with pre-commit. So like every time you add code, you push code, right? Before you can even push code, every time you commit a code, the script will run. Hook, pre-commit hook will run. I would do the formatting, the linting for you. And then do you have like another check on the code base, right? You have another check on your GitHub or whatever you're using. It checks if your code is up to standards. Like, it's really cool. Like it's really yeah, really cool. And then after that, after I got addicted to GitHub Actions. I got addicted to GitHub API. What I mean by that is the GitHub API, like interacting with GitHub. So yeah, currently I'm also working on a tool, like a CLI tool. There's still a lot of work to do on that tool. I'm currently working on that. And it interacts with the GitHub API. Yeah. I think after this, that's what we're going to do. Either that or I'm going to work on Medrec and fix the typing. But I might actually no. I think I'll work on the tool now, and then I'll work on Medrec in the future. Maybe no. I cannot guarantee tomorrow. Maybe next week. I cannot guarantee tomorrow. If I can get funding, right? Funding, I mean, like, yeah, because like it's hard to work on a project when you're doing it for free, right? I'll try to convince on to provide me a bit of like just allowance, right? So I would have like a reason to work on the project. Yeah. Yeah. I'll unmute Connor.
We're about 8,000 right now.
Yeah. Pretty cool. He's going skiing. I mean, in my country it doesn't snow. It's like the opposite of winter. It's like fire, hell, hell temperature. I actually want to experience that kind of weather before I die. I really want to experience it, coldness. Yeah. Like here, it's just hell every single day. I'm sweating. I think it's not only the temperature, it's the humidity that's killing me. It's very humid and it's very hot. It's like the worst combination of.
I won't rip my gooch, chat. I've not done it yet. They're concerned about me ripping my gooch. That would be bad.
I have a little gooch rip.
I do have a gooch accessible zip, so if I need more gooch space, chat, I can.
More gooch space.
I need more space.
Just for the skiers who are absolutely hot.
Yeah. Maybe you need a bit more air going in there. It's just too hot. It's like an oven. What a view. Hey, chat, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, right? All right. Let's put you on my shoulder. Oh, caught that. I don't know if it probably looks better without it, but we'll put it on just for safety. Sorry, chat. Give me a sec. Okay, there we go. That's on pretty firmly now. All right. One side effect that I didn't realize, chat, from skiing is that all the quick release stuff is freezing, so it doesn't want a quick release.
So I might stop typing maybe 10:30. If I start at 9:30, right? That's maybe 10:30.
It's like, yeah, it's just my right foot's getting stuck in that position. T-trade and out. I think a good
43. It's very low. My way just took 43, right?
like your skis should never be like, see how you're kind of standing where like one ski's at
How about I practice words? Practice both.
you always like whenever you're turning with one ski, the other ski should be following like you're a unit. Good teacher, bug you.
That's true. Yeah, if you do separate them, you will fall.
Right, yeah, I'm not falling through that.
I'm actually kind of surprised that Twitter's not slow right now. Usually it slows down the closer it is to 12 noon. So far so good. The stream is so far okay.
Nope.
You.
Alright. Oh shit.
When you're not leaning any direction, then I feel hard to recover from.
One of the reasons I will stream, I just realized, is because I haven't been typing. I'm sorry, like, I haven't been. I mean, not that I haven't been typing. It's more like I haven't been practicing. It's like a month that I haven't typed in multi-type or keyboard or any typing website, right? It's been a month. Like, yeah, it's hard to convince yourself again to sit down and do something repetitive, right? Just to improve. It's like slow, very slow improvement. So like, yeah.
Nice.
I'm using the stream as an excuse.
Spinning around.
I'm also watching a stream, right?
Whee!
I'm also like catching off the streams.
Woo!
4 hours. Yeah, that would be cool to finish it. Well, I could finish
Spin me
4 hours in
around, baby. Right.
4 separate streams, right?
Oh my god, I'm dizzy. Oh my goodness, I'm dizzy.
And then next up.
Oh, that made me so dizzy.
Let's just enjoy the view.
Alright, nice. Good showing. It must just look like white. Just white.
Trying to slowly learn how to switch ski right now.
What do you mean?
Skiing backwards.
Oh, I like skiing backwards, but sometimes I clip some snow and I just fall over and it hurts even more than skiing face down. And I feel like an idiot.
I'm getting over the kind of the same thing that they're worried about.
Just the
right
opposite
now.
way.
It's like the fear of
Yeah.
going straight and gaining speed while you're backwards.
It's easier to do like backwards going down and spinning on like a little bit of an incline, because if you do it on this, I noticed that you catch some snow and you just hit your head and it just hurts.
For sure.
Alright. Really nice cam. Good contrast and sharpness. Hell yeah. Hell
Is this
yeah.
new? Is this new?
No, I've had this for a while. This is like the same one every IRL streamer uses.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, it looks good.
Oh, that looks sharp. Man.
Right?
Oh, somebody said Amen.
Amen.
Yeah, that's my nickname.
Oh, is it? I thought, I was like, wait, no, it's Aiden. And my chat was spamming Amen, and I was like, am I an idiot? Like, that I've, this whole time I've known Aiden, I've been saying his
It is
name wrong.
confusing. It is confusing.
Alright, shit. Oh shit, this wasn't locked in.
What I said to what we did once we got like to this part here
Yeah.
is just send it straight down.
Honestly, yeah. Get more comfortable with speed, right?
Yeah. You just want to get used to going kind of fast.
Yeah.
Because I think that's the fear is like that you're gonna like go
Lose
out
control.
of control and
Yeah.
you're gonna get wild.
It's tough. I forget how hard it is when you just start out. I always just thought skiing, because snowboarding hurt way more.
Yeah.
I just assumed that skiing was nicer.
I think skiing is easier to learn still.
Oh,
Because
for sure.
I do think you get injured more when you snowboard.
Yeah, a friend of mine did it, and he finished the first day. We went in the onset, and like his whole back and ass was just black.
Yeah.
Because he'd been falling
Just
so much.
over and over. And you're falling on like your tailbone over and over.
Yeah, especially if it's like icy as well.
Yeah.
This would probably hurt to fall on, I think. A little bit. Alright. Why he have 2 sets of ski poles?
Oh, 'cause I
Oh,
have
you're holding.
stands.
Oh, yeah, right. I
Stands.
thought there was anything else like that.
I think it is hard to learn skiing.
Yeah, seriously, I'll try the. It's another site I want to try, but it's quite a bit harder because you're writing actual code. It's closer to code, right? This one I'm just, writing Python in like small caps.
Yeah.
Python syntax in small caps, and it's not really code.
He lived in Guildford in the UK.
Yeah, I thought that was crazy.
I was like, what? I was like, that's a rough scary. He goes, yeah, I know. I was like, what?
The next website I want to try is code. It's closer to code.
That's just like,
Let's see.
of all the places I'd recommend to go.
One of the reasons why I'm not doing keyboard right now, right, is
Wouldn't be top of my list.
it doesn't work on my setup.
That's how we
The left window key and then the right. Oh, I mean the right,
the reaction is the
left
same
and
every
the
time.
right
It's like,
Why?
wow.
Why would you
snap and window snap. It doesn't work. Like
I think it's just the white balance.
it doesn't wrap
The camera's doing its best.
the words right. It doesn't wrap as like monkey type does.
I mean, I've always wanted
Actually,
to
like
try
the monkey type wraps it.
I thought it would be so cool.
In keyboard, yeah, you have to scroll horizontally, which kind of sucks.
Simple setup. I feel like
Yeah.
that's very effective.
As long as you don't.
The other side I want to try. Okay, it's still 956. I'll do it at 10. So I will not repeat test.
Stream as a beginner. You just fall over, snap your bag, and
Not repeat test.
stream.
Oh.
I was trying to click the
Slowly chat.
practice slow.
Damn, Rochelle got it, huh?
Yeah, she just didn't quit. She she kept getting up and he kept going down. I think Stan's issues. Yeah, I think he's kind of overthinking it. He's doing a lot of standing and
Yeah.
thinking.
You should have keep going.
I think you just gotta feel it out. A bit.
Yeah, it's like muscle memory, right? You just kind of feel.
Yeah.
Like, it sounds weird to say, but like when you ski and you do a movement, you can tell if it like wants you to keep doing that.
Yeah.
It like gives you a bit of bounce, or you'll feel like when you're turning that there'll be a perfect moment to then do another turn. I don't know how to explain it.
When you start carving, it's so satisfying because every turn just cuts into the next one.
Yeah. That's a better way. It cuts into the next one. That sounds better. That's a much cleaner way of explaining it.
Let's notice that monkey type has the sound for the keyboard, right? So I wonder how loud it is compared to the YouTube vid on the right.
Okay.
Ludwig, you
Actually, haven't checked it. The audio. I'll just adjust it on the next stream.
take Ludwig on any run on a mountain and
Oh,
he'll get
okay.
down.
Well, that's good then. That's good.
I would call Ludwig
It's too loud.
he's not a very technical skier, but he gets the job done.
He gets down.
Yeah.
He said he likes to go fast. That's all he
Oh,
said.
he loves going fast.
Really?
This is the whole. Okay, so we went on a ski trip last year with his friends from high school. It was very funny because it was my first time meeting them,
Oh, okay.
and it's just interesting to see everything
Use.
Ludwig was like. Turns out he has not changed at all.
He's just always been this way.
Yeah, he's just always. Been
Oh,
this.
okay. I would. Yeah.
So it's good to know. It's almost good to know, right? The
Like
money
you-
didn't change.
Yeah, right. I was gonna say like
The
the
money didn't
streaming
change.
didn't change him.
If anything, the money just enabled bad habits that were already there. But what he did the whole time is he unzipped his jacket.
Okay.
So he's basically jacketless, and he bombs every run straight down like this. And
No
and
turning?
this, yeah,
No,
just no
just-
turns, just bombs every run, no matter how steep it was.
Surely
It-
after a while you're like, man, I should just turn. I'm
Yeah,
getting
that's
bored
what
of like.
turning makes it fun. Right? So turning makes it fun.
This seems very loud.
Yeah. So he's totally. I believe it when he says he wants to go fast.
Yeah. All right. I'm excited to see. You're gonna be here, Holman. It's tough.
Yeah.
It's also really easy to just be like resign yourself and be like, nah, it's not gonna work.
Yeah.
47. I can't even reach 50. Yeah. This is what happens when you don't type for a month.
That helps so much.
Okay, so the next site I want to visit is.
When you're learning as a kid,
I
ball is so much
think
fun.
it's.
Like falling
is
is even
it?
lower impact.
I didn't think.
Where is it here?
Like stance is.
An
stance
option.
is
What the
super
hell is
fun,
this?
you know?
Yeah, that's gotta hurt when you bring that down.
So every time he falls,
I don't know why this is here. Server close.
I
I
feel like I skied like an idiot. As a
mean,
kid.
why is it here?
When
I'm typing.
Fast did stuff I was too scared to do.
Like, no, I don't get why it was on the typing.
Because to me as a kid, I was just like, I was
Maybe
just like,
here,
my parents finally
but it's not
did
here.
this.
So I think it's an
I was like, oh my god.
interesting
yes.
repost,
But
I
the kids
guess.
care way less. Wow. Thanks.
Nope.
Oh,
Interesting
shit,
articles.
guns.
yeah,
No?
cool board.
Interesting
I
stuff.
forget what those are called.
The square one, the rectangle ones.
Yeah. when
Ooh, I wonder where I
like instead of
put that. This
sitting
one.
sitting back like sideways, your feet are both angled towards the bottom of the hill at all times.
Oh, that's cool. My mate broke his leg first time skiing. That sounds horrific.
That is awful.
Sometimes you see people falling over and you can see their leg is not where it's supposed to be, and you're like, oh! Just try and help people.
Once he gets that right here,
Yeah.
we'll just go straight down.
It's not here. It's not here. Where are you?
He's scared because he's not turning in at all. He's turning against. And then when your skis get to that angle,
I think
like if you're going,
it's in my GitHub.
you'll just fall. Oh, you just took
GitHub.
Sick turd!
And it's in my stores. That's what glad I started.
We're getting it, chat.
Okay. Okay, it's this, and I'll just sign in, right?
I live in Canada, but never been skiing.
Just sign in, and then file.
Let me just consult my medical
setting.
degree.
Burrito. That's good information. It's the same in my GitHub profile. Safe. Okay, and then settings. Resources. And then I have to race. Practice, and then I'll check this.
You will not go very fast, and you should get comfortable with some
Typing.
This
Yeah,
so just straighten out.
it should be here.
I promise you cannot go more than like 8 miles an hour going straight down.
Okay, it's here. Nice. Practice. Python, and then snippet. Practice. It's only Python. There's no like section for Python 3. Okay, so I'll do this for 30 minutes.
Okay. I said if I fell today, I'll play a full Final Fantasy game on stream.
Oh.
Stans, you must have heard.
Oh no. It's weird because there's no colon. Usually def main and then there's colon. So is this like Python 2? No, this is Python 3 because the print statement. You know where this is weirded out because I forgot to. Okay, now. I usually type input and then and then double parenthesis and then go in and then type the quotes. Okay. Let's restart. 77. 76. That's sad. Yeah. They're not using words per minute yet. Yeah, this is from where? This is like a new. This is a new project, so like I don't really blame them.
That's not that many. No, that's a lot of Final Fantasy. That's over half, right? No, that's like you should name like 15. I named like 5. No, you named like 7.
Of course, it's higher because it's. What?
Is
there like?
There's the 13 one. Is it 13?
I want to like practice, but you know.
There's too many.
How do you like?
You're in the ski. Where'd it get going?
Alright, watch out, we gotta dodge him.
Okay, I didn't realize that. I didn't realize. The whole slope is in the way. Yeah.
I use autocomplete a lot. Yeah. Yeah, the snippet is wrong. The main snippet was wrong. This is correct because it's using see, it's using colon on the method, right?
Wipe out a kid today by accident. I feel like he's gonna do it. He's gonna be like, sumimasen, dude.
It's time delta.
Alright.
I want like not snippet. I want like an actual script, right? And then you rewrite the script.
You got it. Keep the legs engaged. Don't worry about the speed. Just let it carry you. You got it. You're not gonna crash. Yep.
Hey.
It's still not how they said. How do you see the contributions for racers? I want to see the contributions. Do you add the snippets? No, no, you add the snippets just on the side. I thought you added via.
Alright, chat.
It's yeah, it's community driven, I guess, which kind of sucks. Cause yeah, you get like this. There's not a lot of snippets.
Nice, man.
It sucks.
That was clean. Alrighty.
I want like a class, right? And,
Alright. Whoo, it is chilly. It doesn't look cold, but man, is it cold. Hey, nice. Snowplow acquired.
oh, I need to fix the errors.
Alright. I'm live, by the way, now, Rochelle.
It's what? I don't get why it's 250. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, it's the tax.
Well, very unrelentingly so.
That'd be a terrible teacher.
Honestly, give up.
You're not built for this. I'm gonna go down. I can get beers.
I'm not a fan of the the underscores, because if they were to split the at least make it like with more sense, right?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm trying to crush.
Like by every 3 digits or something,
Yeah, I'm
not
live right now, but
2,
sure,
2,
yeah.
3. That's so weird.
Do it, man.
Good. You guys had a good time?
Yeah,
First
yeah.
times.
You just happen to be here as well? Damn.
Yeah, I just came in yesterday.
Oh, shit.
My mate just vomited on his bed first night.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, it's not great.
Normally, I wouldn't take pictures on stream, but I'm impressed that you found me.
Oh Lord.
Oh, yeah, I saw you guys roll past and I did it.
Hey, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Enjoy skiing.
Yeah, cheers.
Jersey.
All right, we heading out?
Yeah, you guys are good.
Oh, well, that's my phone.
Tab enter to restart.
Grab that.
Tab enter
Okay,
to restart.
Wait.
What? Tab enter.
Hold on.
Nice.
You just falling down.
Glass. I wish I was. What is it? Using the screen, the entire screen. I don't know why it's only using that.
Taxing when you gotta hold this shit in your hand. Goofy walk? Yeah, man.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Harder.
alrighty. Let's go.
But this is good practice, I think.
Oh, we should go up.
Engine.
Go straight. Go straight. What's up? Oh my god.
What's this? That was correct.
No, I got it. You sure? I'm dropping everything, chat.
Dot this.
You drop chat?
I dropped
Dot
chat.
this. Oh, sorry.
Sad chat.
Don't tell them that. Don't give them anything.
I'm not used to coding. I mean, right, typing. Very uncomfortable. Typing like the correct way when coding. I still use my old ways.
How's
Not using the 10 fingers.
You guys made it sexual.
I just
Having something that like forces you to.
yeah, what does it mean?
Anyway, what are you saying?
Is it past this list?
Yeah, so we keep going straight, and there'll be a gondola we can take to cross. I gotta not drop you, chat. I don't know how
Oh,
to
it's
do
tab
it.
enter.
Go like this. I'm trying to put you guys in my pocket. That'll work. Yeah. You guys are like slanted now, huh? guess the only thing that sucks about streaming this is that I gotta hold this damn camera. Which I guess is everything. Alright, let's do this. Let's get it fast.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so he's got my right. Chat, I'm tired already.
Jersey, yeah, you got really. Top Hunter. Doesn't work. Top Hunter. Okay.
I'm definitely.
Oh, wait, no, it's restart. I thought it was like new.
Rip chat.
I thought it was new game or something. It should not be restart. Top Hunter should be new game. It sucks that you have to go back to the.
This is so tiring.
Like, there's things that they could improve.
What? What's that there?
And yeah, they should also improve the randomizer. Such that it does, yeah, it reduces the duplicates.
I'm like walking up like a clown. Ah, that way, straight.
I try a multiplayer. I think I will lose.
Yeah.
I will lose. There's no players in Python. That's players in Python.
I gotta take them off the gun list, so. Dude, my hand is cold. Alright, Chad, here you go. All right. Like this, and we're cooking. Oh my God. Having these giant hunks of wood on your feet sucks.
See, like the repetition. I think most of the code is in TypeScript. Maybe I'll practice on TypeScript instead.
Cold.
Most of like the good snippets on TypeScript. It's a bummer. No one uses Python as much as I do.
So one thing I hate about skis is carrying all the shit. Alright.
Maybe I'll change to TypeScript next. Need rice. Script.
Got shoes there.
What is this? Why are you doing this? B C D S H D S S F U. S H.
All good, sorry, I'm on that too.
This is TypeScript, right? But
Is that right?
Holy fuck.
Sitting here with Futatsu dumbasses.
oh yeah, alright. It didn't reload.
Dude, the gondola's so small.
Yeah. I was like,
In America, this is a gondola for one.
This is React. This is not TypeScript per se. This is React.
Come on, man.
you guys big out there?
Huh?
You guys big out there?
Why is there no heater in here?
What do you mean? None of them have that in Japan.
Heaters?
Yeah, none of them have it.
That is so weird. They had like a white space there.
Luxury.
That was so weird.
Day of life.
You should be able to edit snippets because I hate the indentation for this one.
Straight bombing down the hill.
Oh, man.
How many kids did you wipe out when you started skiing?
Yeah, bro.
I've never touched a kid.
It's not the question.
Put that on record.
I hope
Put that on record. You gotta wait for the... I won't leak.
What?
What?
What, man?
That's or.
We're all the yard.
I like that the typing for TypeScript is kind of similar to Python.
Never look cold on camera.
Yeah, it's not that
They always
hard. Off.
Cold places look warmer. I mean, the sun is the warmest thing in the world.
What are you talking about?
I
You know,
bro,
like-
I'm fucked up.
You know, like the
And that's why you got the real me right now.
yeah. You know the Mr. Beast video when he goes to Antarctica and it looks like it's like kind of chill. It looks pretty
Yeah, it
warm.
doesn't look too cold.
It looks
Yeah,
like that.
I think both are hard. It's hard to display heat and it's hard to display cold. The only ways to display it is how the people are acting and the breath.
So deep.
That's why in anime the way they display hot is going cricket, cricket, cricket. That's my cicada noise.
You're a good cicada.
That's good, man. I thought that was good.
So I think we crossed
Ah.
and go up another lift.
So uncomfortable.
Um,
It's just 32.
You okay?
dude, I'm like almost passed out right now.
But I want to practice more on Python, not TypeScript.
From getting stands down that fucking mountain.
And yeah, it sucks. There's not
And I say
much snippets.
Alright, you get see it.
yeah. We got through it once. He was getting frustrated with himself.
It's hard not to though when you keep falling over. There's no people waiting as well.
Yeah, I think there's like a. This is harder when you're older.
Yeah.
Oh. Chat, how we doing?
They're doing good, they're vibing.
Don't speak for him, bro. What is this?
God Gamer. Red hand? Yeah, my hands are red.
Oh yeah, the spin with God Gamer.
Anything that involves number, it really slows me down.
I don't think that's you.
I mean, chat, are you guys? Who are you talking about on this God mode? When you spam God Gamer, who are you talking? Are you Aiden?
Me, probably.
Oh, Connor?
I haven't.
So you're master.
I don't have a numpad.
In,
That's why it slows me down.
well,
No, you're not.
yeah, I am.
You got master. I saw it on Twitter.
Yeah.
He was Ascendant
God
once
Gamer.
upon a time. He was
I was
Master in
Ascendant,
Melee.
What is Ascendant?
I'm master in melee.
Oh.
Ascendant is a new rank. It doesn't exist in League and TFT equivalents. It's like between Diamond and Master.
Wait, so they're Ascendant Master Challenger?
Basically, yeah.
Yeah, basically.
Wow, that seems unnecessary.
Oh no.
Yeah.
It was created because I thought they
Just
thought
frustrates me.
Like the difference between
I
skills.
have to deal with numbers, right?
yeah, like the people who'd be in Diamond would be amazing or really shit.
Right.
So they made a new rank. It hasn't worked.
It never works.
We're talking about Ludwig. Ludwig.
You at the Christmas dinner.
Alright, hold up.
You enjoying Hokkaido so far?
Skiing with Mungie.
Who's better at melee between you two?
Me.
Is that,
Mm,
there's an instant. Is it true, or is he trolling? He's trolling. Oh,
T-Dog VA, right?
yeah.
Connor, technically Aiden's better.
Oh.
Actually, no, that's a lie.
Do you guys ever like?
Aiden is actually better. Technically, I'm better. You ever what?
Do you guys ever compete in tournaments? I saw you guys were in something, right? There's some kind of tournament or something. Oh yeah, you got a rip right there.
You can take your dick out,
Yeah,
bro.
it's my gooch rip.
Yeah, we compete in tournaments. Actually, no.
then Python snippets.
Used to.
I used to.
I still do.
I quit now.
We had a little company tournament at Genesis.
I think I saw something where
Actually, no. I think I know what to do.
freaking out.
There's this.
I don't understand what's
Yeah,
happening.
Nick won our company tournament.
Oh, that's awesome.
There's this. There's this start. I think I started something like.
Serious ball tournaments, bro.
Yeah.
Let's see who's a better gamer.
Literally never heard of
Yeah,
that.
you haven't?
No, never heard of that.
Yeah. Interesting.
Probably not that big of a show.
No, honestly. I think if the YouTube thumbnails were tighter, I'd have heard it.
If you gave me a photo.
No, you could have asked for a photo.
No, I was shy. Stop.
Algorithms Python.
Oh, you want to head in?
And I'm just going to use this.
You could.
Okay.
Without eating?
Yeah, I'm down. Because we only have a few hours left.
You don't
That,
have to
true.
pretend
that took like an hour and a half.
You don't
We
have
have
to pretend
3
you're so
hours.
Canadian.
Huh?
You don't have to pretend you're so Canadian all
This
the
is my
time.
one day, man. I brought these skis from over the Pacific
Yeah, that was
Ocean.
crazy.
I mean, yeah, I could
to
have told you that
rip.
was cringe.
Not great.
That's the cringe. He's saving money.
Is he? I think he just wanted.
Yeah, we paid $100 for us.
That's.
Yes, sir.
I feel bad for that. They've been $100 and they're gonna throw it right back in.
Arithmetic. What's this?
All right.
So we get into this con. I think the lunch place is below it as well. If you,
Oh, is he here?
yeah, if you really want to.
Oh yeah, I forgot that I cannot.
Is he got curry?
Yeah, they got curry and ramen. Okay.
Dude,
I
tell
gotta
Chad
eat
about
at some
the
point,
ramen?
so dude and I haven't. Tell them about it.
Oh my god.
Actually, I'll just copy the path, right? The algorithms Python.
Say it like that.
authentically, I guess it's
well,
respect. That's probably the number one reason.
Okay.
Anyway, we're there, and we're here to watch the snow festival. It was aight. I mean, the sculptures were cool, but you're sitting there fucking -7
It was
Celsius,
cold.
and you're trying to enjoy it, but you're also
Arithmetic
thinking
analysis
I
section
could
by
be inside.
And we did.
section.
You
And
don't
so,
think that the delay from
I forgot I disabled my other keys for sex. Done.
light me up inside.
Then upload.
I'll hold this. Sorry,
Will this allow me?
Do you want to get on first, Aiden?
trying to turn off?
Wait, hold on. That's gonna open. I'm just gonna catch your skis.
What leaking?
All right. This is the world's. Like it's like teasing us. It's like etching. Just open the door.
What do you mean error instance? How do you debug it? How do you debug it?
I forgot. Yeah, I forgot. Ludwig has the child skis, so he can. He's got the children's skis, so he can fit us in. Yeah, this way.
Why is there an error? Is there a limit? I don't think there should be a limit, right? Maybe it's not allowing certain factors.
Oh, Ludwig! Oh, you hit my phone. What? You hit my phone up. Yeah, because you were like doing a Willy Wonka walk down. Alright, well, let me get my phone. Is my other phone in here too? Do you want to grab lunch now or later? What are you feeling?
Let's go right.
You want to eat? Oh, alright. Alright, let me quickly get the picture.
What's the error? I want to know the error. Maybe it's an inspection console.
Oh my god, this is so
They responded with. Give me the error message. Where is it?
You
Is it just to?
You check out the map. So we can either go to the top of the gondola or we can take the ski lift.
Let's get up top.
Okay.
Figure it out when we're there, yeah?
There's another one on behind it that goes a bit further up. Like we can go up to the top of that one up there and come back down here. And then maybe go up the gondola.
Okay, that's it.
Alright, let's Yeah?
Maybe.
Alright, chat, let's go. Dude, it's getting this side's busy. So Destiny.
Is that wrong?
What did you say?
He said this side's busy. It's busy. I said so this thing.
That's correct.
Yeah, I know, bro.
He's Josie, dude. Why did you get so fluent?
I'm the hunger Jozu. I'm gamer Jozu. I'm skiing Jozu. Frank's Jozu. I'm Jozu Jozu.
First
I think
one ever
because
called
it's important.
Jozu.
I shouldn't.
He's just his talent is just being moderately good at everything.
Jack of all trades, master of none. He'd be like, quickly as chess game. He'd be like, alright, average. He'd be like, perfect.
But to the layman in chess,
Hmm.
let me put my
I don't know why. Let's try another one.
let's tap this chat. Hey, we did it. You fallen on skillet?
How about my own script? Can I? I don't usually comment.
Alright.
Will it percent? Will it?
Let's get it, chat. Let's go on the lift arena.
Allow it?
I'll put you guys on my poll as well. Alright.
Go ahead, like this.
Alright, I gotta not fuck this up.
Why is that the just property? What is a digest property? Next, digest.
Sumimasen,
Okay.
like summer.
What's the sir equivalent?
Summer. Summer is like
There's Ludwig Sama.
tilted.
Error.js.
Is it common if someone falls? It's not uncommon.
It's so common. Oh, off the lift? That's
Not while on
Doing
it,
some
but like,
errors.
as you're getting on, it's
Oh
pretty
yeah,
common.
as you're getting on and off.
yeah, it'll
it's like,
slow down
it'll
the lift a lot for them.
What for
This is
you?
a great place to fall off.
What,
Yeah,
like,
this is ideal. You'd be fine.
It's server side logs.
you want to get off now? You ever done that before? You ever gotten off?
No, I never have.
Never done it.
You know, I keep it A1.
I think there should be a documentation for it, right?
Follower?
You are not a.
Which are allowed.
It does.
Okay, well, don't say that.
Allow me. I'm guessing it's either there's a limit to how many characters they're
But the bar is like.
allowing,
I mean, look at this. Like,
or
yeah, it doesn't.
there's some characters that they sanitize and it's not
If
allowed.
it has a leg rest, it's good.
Or if they have a middle. and it goes between your dick and ball.
Goes between your dick and ball.
Yeah, they have the bar.
It's not supposed to go between your dick and ball.
Yeah, it's tell me.
No, it's supposed to go. It's supposed to separate you.
It's supposed to smush it right in the middle. You're supposed to lay out your balls.
It's kind of like a little hydraulic press for you.
Yeah, keeps you there. They do free circumcisions.
That's why I was scared. That's why I was scared. I was like,
Well, we're all of you know.
yeah.
Is this a circumcised country?
This is they don't circumcise.
They don't.
No.
Why would they circumcise?
I don't know.
Why would they?
I do have the distinct memory of.
So recently there was a security issue with this Code Racer project, and I wanted to kind of make a video to kind of highlight how important it is to make sure that the things that you implement are double checked, triple checked to make sure you're not leaking private information across the wire. So anyone who's been working on this project, I definitely recommend that you watch through this just so you have a better idea of like what you need to check for when you're building out applications. And for more experienced devs, this will be like a no-brainer. So what's the issue? We have this leaderboard here, and all this information is grabbed in a React server component. So for example, we do a query against the users table, and then we take that data and we render out this table here, right? Now, although you can't see email anywhere in this data, if you actually go to the request here, and I'll go over here, this is all of the Next.js content that it gets sent over the wire, right? But if I search for Gmail, let's just go ahead and do a Command F and type in Gmail, you'll notice that every single email is actually coming back over inside the data, right? Now, these are all hard-coded to WebDev Cody. All right, if I do WebDev Cody 3, you know, that's in there. All right, WebDev Cody 4 is in there, right? So even though this data is not displayed on the leaderboard, I don't know why I just went back, you'll notice that it's still in the network request. So someone who's smart enough could simply just open up your network request, click on the page, and parse it for various types of data.
Okay.
So how does this happen with Next.js and just APIs in general? Well, let's go to the leaderboard. I'll say leaderboard page. All right, so when this page loads, if you look through here, at some point we do some requests and we say, hey, get all the users with some result counts, and then we also say get users with results. If you were to dive into this code base, you'll notice that it just does a Prisma user find mini, right? So the results that come back here, those will have everything that's in the user table, which if you go to the user table, or I guess I should say the user model, you'll notice that there's an email in here. Okay, so along with all the metadata that you really want, there's also emails, and there could be other potentially sensitive pieces of information on the user model that you do not want to ever expose to the front end. Okay, so this request gets made, which gets set in here, and because this is a React server component, technically this stuff will only live on the server until you pass it to a client component. So this is the issue. We're passing the user information as is, which has the email on it, directly to a users table component, and that users table has a use client, which means that all of the props that you're passing in are going to get sent over inside of this Next.js payload that I mentioned, right? So it has to cache this information somehow so that it knows how to hydrate and re-render everything. Now, I'll say this isn't just like a Next.js problem. This same thing can happen on your backend API, although it might be a little bit more apparent when your API is sending over emails versus with Next.js. You don't know that that data is being passed over because, you know, it's a very fine line between your server components in your client components. And if you pass in the wrong props, all those will be exposed like I just mentioned. So what are the key takeaways? How do you prevent this? How do you fix this? Well, obviously you have to either omit that information. So one approach is that you could basically go like this. I could say const users is equal to this. And then down here, I could say like omit users and then like email, right? So if you bring in like a low-dash omit, you could potentially just remove all the emails from all the users, and that could potentially fix the issue. Now, the trouble with that is that now you have to remember everywhere in your application that you fetch users, you have to go and you have to make sure you omit. And I think we do this a couple places. If you do a Control F5,
Is there
you'll see we
no
kinda do
way
this,
to
in various places.
in Django
Find
REST you
many,
can just
find
realize
first.
it?
We do
And
it in
just, you
loaders.
know,
Sometimes we do it in the
say
C
it's
data, so
write
it's not that
only.
important. Sometimes we do it on
It
only
cannot
back
be
in
read.
the code.
It
But you
won't
can
be
see like
passed.
the line is kind of
The
muddy.
API
It's hard to
request.
tell where we're doing these calls and when you need to actually like omit stuff. Okay, so I would personally not recommend that approach. This is also why a lot of people will wrap this in a layer, right? You'll have like a data model layer, and the only place you can ever access user data is from using your own custom model, which means that your model has the ability to strip fields before it gets sent back to your actual code. Right, that's another approach you could do. But again, you still have to remember to put omits everywhere. You still have to remember to omit fields and stuff like that. And there's extra complexity of like making more methods just so you can do that. So what I would recommend doing instead of just omitting here, which is again error prone, is I would just make sure that anytime you're fetching data from a table that might have sensitive data, is make sure you always use a select statement. So let me show you my fix. Anytime you're fetching data from a table, it's probably a good idea just to use select statements, because you're only ever going to get back the data that was whitelisted here in this select statement. You're not going to get email back. You're not going to get any type of sensitive data. You're only going to get the data that's needed. And more specifically, this is good because it's going to reduce the payload that's sent over, right? Remember, all this information, all the properties for every user is going to get sent over in that initial request to your front end because of how Next's hydration kind of works, right? So the less data you fetch from the backend, not only is your query going to be faster, like getting the data from the database is going to be faster, sending the data back from your API to the client is going to be a smaller payload, which means it's going to be faster. And I would recommend doing this because now you don't have to worry about like putting omits everywhere in your code base, right? Because if you don't have the select, you're basically just doing like a select star. Like if you're doing like raw SQL, you've probably seen select star, right? This is also not really recommended because like you're just fetching back all the data and you may not even need that data, right? We have the ability to write these very specific functions that run in a React Server components when the component initializes. So if you have that ability, just make it a specific select statement here that only fetches the data that you need. And I think there's a couple of other places in the application that I also just added select statements. And this is the fix that I would kind of recommend doing. Okay, so the key takeaways of this video, especially anyone who's working on this Code Racer app, is make sure that you're always verifying that the data that you're fetching is the least amount of data that you possibly need to get your application working. Because leaking emails to everyone else, like you don't want to be able to go into an application and find out the emails for every single user. That's definitely a big issue, right? So go through here and anything else, for example, like if we're doing joins with account, there's a refresh token here. You want to make sure that we don't actually leak anything from this account model to the front end. Luckily, I don't think we're doing any like prisma.accounts. Okay, so like that won't get leaked. Same thing with session. You probably don't want to ever leak anything. Verification token, you probably don't want to leak anything like that. And I was kind of reading through the Prisma GitHub issues, and some people are recommending that, hey, like, can we just add the ability to put like private on this field so that when you do a select star, it'll just automatically emit this. I think that'd be pretty cool, but there hasn't really been much traction on that. Also, it might be cool just to, instead of having to do a select, you could just say omit email true. That might be something cool, but that again does not exist in Prisma, so you can't do that either. So I think the best solution you could potentially do is just do a select and handpick the things that you actually need. All right, well, I hope you guys learned something from watching this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon. And like always, I have a Discord channel that you're welcome to join if you want to find a place to hang out and talk to some other developers. Other than that, have a good day. Happy coding.
Hi, my name is Maximilian Schwarzmuller, and in this course, I will teach you
I can just check the code for.
We ask
I
every
can just check
guest
the
on
code
the
for the
podcast.
uploading.
Why? Does it
Uh,
change how you think about them?
yeah.
It's because we're split in two. Because half of us are, half of us aren't.
Yeah.
So they're always the tiebreaker.
Anthony, and Nick are circumcised. We're not.
They're hey, say it how it is. They're not whole.
Yeah.
They're not whole.
They're not one with God.
Yeah. Me and Ludwig haven't been mutilated.
Isn't it? Why do they do it in America? Is it because they think it's clean or something?
No. The historical reason is there was a weird
Oh,
campaign.
oh,
That's so low.
dude. Shall we?
Oh.
Shall we?
You want to hit that shit?
Dude,
How do
let's.
you take them?
Ooh, dude, jumps chat. It's like a jumping.
I don't know if
park.
I've definitely never done one that big.
Well, we did. You have to kill the little one.
You have not done one that
I've
big.
done one that big for sure.
Ludwig's gonna die.
For sure, many a times. And I didn't hit it hard enough, so I landed. Because you're supposed to go fast enough.
So then you go over.
Oh, yeah, that's bad.
Yeah, if you don't commit, you'll really hit it hard.
Dude, some of these are huge. That one is huge.
That was.
That's gigantic. Yeah, we do the little
First
one.
upload.
Yeah, there's little ones on the right side. We're not good enough.
Giga Chad Central.
You
Alright,
can
hold
still
up.
do
Check these
that.
guys. Check these guys.
There's no upload. Where's the file? Upload.
Yeah, louder so they can hear you.
Or like,
What's the opposite of
if
Joe?
not file upload, then snippet.
Dog shit.
Dog shit.
Oh, wait, is he gonna hit it? Oh, no, he's hitting the knuckle.
I mean, that's
Oh,
you
not
gotta
even
get
the knuckle.
Maybe snippet.
pretty fast on the knuckle there.
He ain't even hitting knuckle, bro.
Or maybe because I'm in ad snippet.
Is someone saying heta or hikui? I would just say like I'm
App
terrible.
dashboard
I'm
snippets.
with the trash.
Ooh. What's mid?
Loaders. Page.txt access.
Ludovico. No, trust me.
No, it's yeah.
Trust me,
I'll
trust
say
me.
that. To
Why would he?
people.
Why are you being weird?
No, I'm not. That's probably what it is.
That's
It's
probably
not
what it is.
hurtful at all.
I think you've been really disrespectful of the way Connor's been trying to teach you the whole time.
What's the one phrase you keep uttering?
I don't want to say.
Yeah. I thought you would want to say. I thought you would.
Ah, this is the user snippet.
Oh, now you don't want to say
I
it because
just
you
don't know.
just kept saying like you couldn't stop saying
I
it,
just
and
don't
then
have
now suddenly
pronunciation.
Interesting.
something mango, something
Page is
mango.
It's a word for mango.
It's like a fruit you're talking about, right?
ad snippets. So I need that.
So
Ad
anyway,
snippet.
You
Need
kept
that
talking about
route.
how much
Yes.
you wanted to eat it.
we had,
And
we
snippet.
had butter
Better.
corn
Ad
ramen.
snippet.
Yeah.
They put a whole last stick
Page
of
up.
butter. It's actually like a quarter, or maybe a tablespoon. But
There was a lot of butter.
bro, it was. I will say it.
Mhm.
Oishikaku.
That's wrong as well.
Oishikoru.
What does the kaku mean? What are you getting
He's
at?
trying to say oishikata.
Ah,
Oh.
He
oishikata.
keeps saying oishikoku, and the guys always look at him like, "Are you good? Are you having a stroke?"
It's because the way I remembered it was oishikaku, oishikak, but then it's wrong. So I just remembered something wrong. Oishikaku. That means it was good.
Oishikata.
Fuck.
You'll get there.
What's like the different? What's
Well,
like the
what is the valid-
flavor
the
difference
valid
between oishikata
snippet?
and oishi desne?
It was good.
Oh,
It is good.
yeah.
And they're
Oishidesune.
using ChatGPT
So somebody
to
asking me in person.
Yeah, like you finished
You're
it,
telling
right?
the chef.
Well, you can also say.
yeah, it's actually that
Umami
sucks.
is delicious too while you're eating it. So you say oishi desune while you're eating it if they ask you for whatever reason, but you probably shouldn't say it anyway because it sounds weird if you bite it. You go, oishi desune.
I'm trying to say, hey, this is really good.
Yeah, so
You
like
did a
after,
stellar
like maybe
job.
when you leave, you want to tell them that it was good.
The thing with ChatGPT is that it cannot
But if I'm sitting there, I'm like, bro, you killed it. Yet
cannot
again, back in the studio cooking, and the shit that you have prepared today is phenomenal. Like, what do
Yeah,
I
how
say?
they say it. It cannot
That's. I don't think. you-
validate
Does
complex
Oishi
code.
Get the job
Yeah,
done?
oishi just gets the job done.
Bro.
Umakata, you can say umakata as well. Yeah.
What is
Oishi desune. Oh yeah. Sorry, tasty, isn't it? Yeah.
Maybe I'm also like because
Yeah.
if you're using the
Say ne, it's
ChatGPT API, right?
Yeah, you know what I mean? You're like confirming.
What is it?
If you're using that, then
Oishikata desune. It's like, oh, it's delicious, isn't it?
There's Oishi, man.
Yeah, you're saying to me like it's delicious, right?
Yeah.
what's
Alright, let me put you on my. It's like let's eat.
Thanks for the meal.
Itadakimasu. Yeah, it's like thanks. Like probably let's see. You say it before the meal, and it's kind of like a thing.
Bon appetit.
remove
Yeah,
the
it's bon appetit.
remove the
Made that. The Japanese took it. Vive the France!
All right.
said that in tune with our job.
Oh, Jean
Oh shit, I got gift for
Why is
subs.
LF?
Yeah, Bone Apple Teeth. You know that subreddit? Have you seen
LF is for Python, so why is it
subreddit?
telling me that is wrong?
Alrighty. Dude, if we're gonna go on the
What?
jump, I'm gonna put this in my bag. Because this is gonna
LF
fly
is
off
for
the shelf.
Python.
50. Thank you so much, man.
Are we hanging left?
Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do it. We'll go on a little baby jump. It'll be fun.
Sucks.
Day with the jump.
They're telling me that it will only accept
50.
LF.
Damn, thanks, man.
It doesn't have
Alright, chat. Don't fall, Ludwig.
LF. Accepting LF, but not LF.
Oh, he's going. Oh, he's cooking.
It's accepting LF, but not LF. Have to retype it
Alright, I
then.
gotta disassemble this. Let's, should we just stop there for a sec? What is this? What is this song? A little one? Had it the whole time? Oh my goodness.
Value error should also be
Alright, look at that.
have to retype it.
Subarashi.
And this one is not. Okay. It's still telling me it. I think it's because okay, I have to retype this. The
Let me put this away.
Phone out there. It's
Nice.
not even secure.
It's secure enough.
Oh. I cannot use.
So I guess right?
Yeah, I think we're going left. Hold on, chat. Gotta put you away for a sec.
Tell me. It will allow this because
I
this.
see you guys in the snow. Sorry about that.
Yeah, but it will not allow Pascal
I'm
kills.
giving them the
Honestly,
British dad experience. Ooh. Hey, it's better than the French dad experience.
There's no errors. There's no. Oh my god, there's no errors.
Where's the fucking thing go? Wait, where is? You ready to go?
yeah, man.
I believe.
Wait on you. Buckle up.
Are you good? Buckle up. Wish your helmets on.
I'm ready, bro.
Let's do it, dude. I think my Twitch. I mean, double check cameras all good. You guys can. We're good, man. We're gonna do some jump.
It's getting gnarly air.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, let's follow the pro. Let's follow the pro.
He's the fastest.
Well, that doesn't mean he's like the best, right? Just means he goes fast. My goggles on chat this time. Alrighty.
Good one now.
Chat. Let's do it.
Good.
Woo, little fun ones here. Ooh. Where'd they go? Oh, they already gone further ahead.
It's correct. Once is wrong.
It's gonna be windy, chat. I'm so sorry. And bumpy. Are we gonna done?
I don't know how to debug Next.js code. I mean, yeah.
Where's he
You
going?
can upload
Where's
stuff.
he going?
Anyways, it's already done for the 6. I think I'll get back to coding then. Okay. Run VS Code. Let's okay. My bad. Then open folder. Going to work. Going to work. Let's set up. Then okay. Still working on this. How do you say? On this branch. I'm still working on this. I need to add more branch. What I've done so far is separate the labels, right? Because before it was using. Wait, I'm just going to remove the monitor and then open Spotify. Yeah. Okay. It's, okay. Okay. So before it was one labels at YAML, and it get loaded, but it will. English, man, my English is so bad. Okay, okay. So the way it works is that there's a main script. There's a main script here to set up issue labels UI, and then this loads a labels.yaml file. Where's it? Where's it? Oh, no, I think it's here. All labels from config. It loads a label file.yaml, right? Label file.yaml, which is this. So yeah, it's this from the base file. It loads one file, and I want to make it so that you could make like multiple YAML configurations, right? And then it will load multiple YAML configurations. Yeah. Yeah. Uh, yeah. And that's what I did. From creating just one, I created multiple. Yeah. Prior to labels or multiple labels, and it's automated. There's a script to automate the creation of this. Because this is one YAML file, this is another YAML file. And I just need to add more. And I've already made it so that you could, right now, like for example, this is YAML, right? But I could, for example, could run the scripts. Oh no. Scripts. I think I should. 5 scripts. Okay. Dump labels. Let's say that pi. Then I can, let's say I can switch it to JSON, for example, and not just YAML, and then I will change. Right now it's YAML file, right? It's YAML file. Labels. I can switch it to JSON. And now it's JSON file. Yeah, I have a switch, and by default it's YAML. Yep. By default it's YAML. And then you can also, you could try putting in random extension. I will throw an error. It's from JSON YAML. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I just need to add more labels because I've already completed the script, right? So where I'll get the script, I think I can just get it on another organization, like Open Library. Open Library, for example, is a very big 4.4K stars. They're the one who built the internet, the archive. The Wayback Machine, yeah. They're known for the Wayback Machine. machine if you're not aware of those guys. Back machine. Yeah. You could go back in history. Like we have a google.com. Then you could check. You could check like what was Google like, the website, right? A couple of years ago. Problem is like it's they have like such a yeah, loading slowly because there's too many queries it's trying to query. 23. Let's go to I want to go to like there. We want to go to the start of Google 11. This was Google back in uh what's it? 1998, November 11, 1998, something like that. Yeah, that's Wayback Machine. And I'm just going to follow their how do you say it? Their labels. They have a lot of labels. Yeah. Okay. I'm just going to change the color for this. Or, sorry, edit it. You cannot edit it. Nice. That sucks. I want to know the color. Color of type log. Hmm. Wonder. I guess you cannot. I guess I can open colors. Why can't I? Why can't you scroll? That is weird. People scroll. Very nice. Oh, that was already the end. What's the color? RGB 255153 RGB 0. And there's HSL. I want the color. Of course. What is this the color? This is the hash, right? Hash to color. No, it's not. I wonder. The ID. I thought it was the hash. I wonder what. How would you know the color? Computer. Oh, okay, okay. Found there like uh hash RGB RGB to hash hex not hash hex. Alright, 5 1 5 hash. Wait, is it type? Okay. It shouldn't matter, right? Or not, I use caps or not. No. What's it again? Set up issue label. Label. Hash. I forgot that. I forgot that there's no support for. I have to manually create the labels. Demo. Actually, I think I need to also dump it into labels.yaml first, because I need backwards compatibility, right? Okay, okay. Have to consider that. Okay, okay. I need backwards compatibility. It's here. Okay. This is backwards compatibility. Compatibility. Remove. Future. I need dictionary to grab everything. Okay, so I guess this is back labels. How do you say it? Mm, remove. Okay. Remove. I need a labels dictionary. What's a good name? Legacy. Legacy. Labels. Equals the list, right? Oh no, it's a tuple. It's a tuple. It's a tuple though. It's a tuple. It's just tuple. That's the tuple. At deck. There's there, and then that. Or oh, there. Right? Tuple deck star there. Tuple star. Okay. Legacy labels. And then how do I get type? Get type Python type. In JavaScript, it's type off. Compare types Python. Compare types Python. Instance there. Okay. If instance labels. Instance label. And then legacy labels plus and then to do remove backwards compatibility, to do remove open this legacy labels file. Legacy labels file equals the path is the path labels path labels that, that's Let's see if that goes on. It's just for backward compatibility. X. Into, let's see. What do you mean? What do you mean? Line 38. Line 49. Ash, why is there a list here? Correct. Why is it not? Why? What's wrong? Ah, it's not bad. What do you mean? What do you mean? No fewer. Fine. If not, in this instance, then I can go with type variables. How do you append tuple? Oh no, you cannot. Yeah, I forgot. Can you append tuple? Can you append in tuple? I think you can. Can you append in tuple? Can you append element to tuple? Yes. plus. What's the file that name? File open Python name. File open module. Where's the it'll open? I don't know. I don't know. Where? With open Python get file name. Have that name or something. Eagles. A fog. But why is it not uh getting the priority? It's only getting the type, which is weird. Wow. Not even. Ah, this legacy labels. There's nothing. Yeah. I wonder. I wonder. It's all tuple though. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Type Python type only shows how to show full Python type. Yeah. Forget full outcome type. Blocking my file. Reveal type. Mm, this will be hard. It's parameterized generics. Let's see. Since I cannot find an answer, let's go to ChatGPT. Can't find an answer. uh, answer. I have my file. Type. And I want to see the um yeah. You- yeah. This even worked? False. True. It works? What? Okay. All is instance items there. Okay. Python all. Seems to be if all items in variable are true. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Items and labels. Rename it. Label. Labels. ChatGPT to the rescue. There. And now it's backwards compatible. That's really cool. And now I have to change. My Pi would reject this, right? I think my Pi would reject this. This will be hard. Maybe I'll just add Nokia right here. How to ignore line my Pi? Ignore. Okay. Then it should be gone. Should be good, right? Okay. And then I'm going to set up issue labels. Set up label. Hi. Oh, because I forgot to change the config file. This. Okay, and then I need to change something. I need to change it, right? For the color again. Good. And then I'm going to check. This is what I like about script. That's it. Yeah. I'm going to check it first. Wait a minute. And then labels. Bug. There. Is it the same color? The same color. Priority is different, right? Different. priority. Hmm, it's high. I could use this. 5 1 2 3 1 5 1 5 5 1 1 5 1. Critical. Then 5 5 go 4 5 5 1. Ah, see? I think I can add type CI. Feature request, type question, refactor, or clean out. Then there's effects, right? There's effects. Going to take a pee break. Be right back. How about game? Unity game. GitHub. I want to see the. I want to see like what says the most stars, 2.4K. I want to see the labels. How they label it. Only so. Oh, they're not even trying. It's just it's awesome Unity game, so it should be awesome, right? And no, it doesn't have the. Effects, UI effects. Game mechanics. Oh yeah, I think I'll add on effects type and effects. Performance. Color. 251-188-157. 251-188-157. FBB 90. Why is it wrong? Correct though. Word scripts. What do you mean by affects communication? I think I removed the chat. Experience. I already have that documentation. G game assets. just, you know, BSing it. Game assets, game UI. Game assets, game controls, what else? Game fonts? What's rendering? Yeah, I've made it so that it only changes the thing that changed. It's cool. Yeah, doesn't do unnecessary API calls. The defaults. Remove. Remove default. Remove. Remove. Oh no, no, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Forgot. I forgot you're not supposed to do that. My bad. My bad. I forgot. I forgot you're not supposed to do that. And I'm going to go to Discord. Oh no, you cannot. You need to open Discord. I'm just going to. Eh, this discover. Uh, this over most. Stuff. Most cases. Or I just chatted in the group if it's okay, or should we add more text? I think it's okay for now. I think I should make it. management. I'll just make this infra. Hmm. Need a switch. Need a switch if it's like. Yeah, because it's just like yeah. I need a switch, right? 'Cause this is like game dev. Okay, I don't get it. This one is more important than effects will change. Yeah, effects will change. This is for game dev. I need a switch for like game dev, web dev. Create API. Four, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 9, 2, 2, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Mm, 7, 9, 0. Mm, Why is it? What do you mean? Within a set. It's not a set. It's a dictionary. I wonder why it's. Why is it? Invalid syntax. What do you mean? Oh. Like wondering. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Need to add um, more than 150. I need to add a switch since this is for game dev, right? So I need to add a switch. I'm actually hungry. Hungry now. Five two oh nine one one. Two. Any those labels? Needs testing. Need help. H E F G H. Oh eight 169 255. 08 169. Mm, think I can just. I kind of forgot I could just do that. I forgot that I had that tool already. Mm. How do you? I think it's Alt Control D. Alt D. How do you control it again? It was table type Y. RGB, RGBA to. It seemed like it. It seemed like it. Yeah, if I do this, I'm pretty sure it's wrong. Sure this is wrong. Wonder why. RGB HSL. Zero 82,204. How about 082,204? Oh, I should have copied this instead. I wonder why type. Why is it failed to create label? I thought I already. Ah, I get it. I get it. It's because it's on the second page. Oh no. Hmm. Okay. GitHub API. Yep. Labels. Oh, with second page. I need to get all labels. Touch GitHub labels, yeah. What did I do again? I added close. Oh no, I added. What did I add? Add the needs. Needs labels. PG. I still have to worry about pagination, right? Still not done because I still have to worry about pagination. Where is it? Okay. Uh, I'll. Or actually, I'll just use ChatGPT for Python. Yeah, I'll do it next time. But I think this is okay, and then I'll just bug fix it tomorrow. Yeah, add more labels. There's still errors, but I'll fix it tomorrow. I'll fix it tomorrow. This is a big PR. Okay. I think it's okay. It's okay. I still need to do something. Yeah. I'll go to the city, downtown area. Have to buy some stuff. Yeah. I guess I'll end the stream now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Can't see me. Yes, turned off my camera. Bye bye.